Hello YouTube viewers and welcome to a hallway in a miniature dollhouse, and I just want to give you a little tour. Right there on the wall I have a realistic looking picture frame on the wall. I'm still working on the stairs. As you can see, the rails are unfinished. And I have another frame, which is actually a magnet frame of Ellis Island, and it's a magnet, so I figured it's perfect for a hallway. I'm working on the stairs. Here I have some flower pots, plants, and these are actually napkin holders, 2 napkin holders, and I just took out some fake plants, from the ones that I have around the house, and I just took some pieces and stuck them in there, and they look like 2 plants in the hallway. And then down here the hallway continues. There is another frame over there, as you can see, nice pattern. The stairs are unfinished. And again, I have 2 more napkin holders down here. And same flooring on both floors. And what else? Then I have a rug there. And let's see. Let's look down here. It finishes down here. This is the first floor. Then I have a little doll back there, figurine. She's looking in the mirror over there, and there's a vase with flowers. So she's ready to go out in her beautiful dress. And let's see, here I have different type of plants. Of course, they're fake, but with real dirt. I put real dirt in there. So that's the hallway. First floor, second floor, and third floor of this big miniature dollhouse. Well, today we were only focusing on the hallways. I still have to do some more work on this. I'm going to be changing the floors because I've had them for a while, and you can see there, like there's a crease there. So I have to fix that. Maybe I'll change the flooring. And then that's it. That's the hallway of this house. And stay tuned for the tour of the other rooms. Thanks for watching.